Hi, I'm Mizelle, and in this video we're covering marking flags and supplies. You might not always think about it, but marking products are essential for so many different jobs. For example, marking property lines. In order to avoid boundary disputes, marking them before starting construction or landscaping is crucial. Utility marking. This prevents costly accidents by marking underground gas lines, water pipes, or electrical cables before digging. Trail marking helps hikers stay on track by marking trails in parks or recreational areas. In agriculture, marking flags, tape, and stakes identify planting rows, areas treated with pesticides, or irrigation lines. If you're working in pest control, keep track of traps and bait stations for effective pest management. Or if you're spraying with pesticides, you want to make sure you're meeting state compliance standards and keeping people safe. And if you're maintaining a golf course, marking hazardous areas, pin placements, or maintenance zones informs players and staff. Using pesticide warning signs also keeps people safe while you work to maintain the grounds. So you know you need marking supplies, but what are your options? At Gemplers, we've got a variety of marking products to fit whatever job you're tackling. And with bulk ordering, fast shipping, and a great price, we make it easy to order with Gemplers. So let's cover some of the key products we carry. First, I want to mention planting stakes and signs. If you need a durable, long-term solution, planting stakes are easy, durable, and they're easy to write on if you need to identify certain areas. Planting signs are also a great tool for keeping your greenhouse or nursery organized and easy to navigate. We also carry pesticide signs in both English and Spanish, in addition to state-approved pesticide application signs, so you can stay compliant and keep your worksite safe when using pesticides. In addition to planting stakes, we have wrap tags, printable wrap tags, bench signs, plant markers, and more. Whatever your indoor, outdoor, or long-term marking needs are, we have the supplies you need. Next, marking flags. These are perfect for temporary markings, whether for utilities, landscaping, or agriculture. We carry a variety of colors and sizes, plus we offer custom marking flags if you want to add your logo or specific messaging on your flags. We also carry flagging tape, which is great for surveyors, construction, forestry, and outdoor recreation. You can easily mark hazards like gas pipes, electrical lines, and drains, or mark unhealthy trees, invasive species, boundaries, etc. And for outdoor recreation, marking tape helps hikers or bikers navigate trails, stay within park limits, or mark certain areas. And finally, I wanted to mention marking paint. These are ideal for construction, landscaping, forestry, and utility marking when you need short-term solutions for a variety of needs. At Gemplers, we carry tree paint, marking paint, and survey paint for all of your marking needs. And as a quick note, if you need to note areas with safety concerns, we also have reflective tape if you need to mark steps or other potential hazards in the workplace. So whether you need marking flags, tapes, stakes, paint, or custom solutions, our team is happy to help you with all of your marking needs. Check out our full selection at Gemplers.com.